Binomial Theorem, exercise 7.2, problem 7. Find the expansion of 3x square minus 2ax plus 3a square whole power 3 using binomial expansion. Okay. First, what is the expansion of a plus b whole power 3? A cube, 3c naught, a cube plus 3c1, a square b plus 3c2, ab square plus 3c3, b cube. Okay. So, what is given? Which రాసుకోండి ఒకసారి 3x square minus 2ax plus 3a square whole power 3. So, దీన్ని ఎలాగా ఫామ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు? So, 3x square minus 2ax, keep brackets from the first two terms, plus 3a square. Now it is in the form a plus b whole cube. Yes. What is the form of a plus b whole cube? Expansion. 3c naught, see, 3c naught, a cube. So 3x square minus 2ax whole cube plus 3c1 a square. 3x square minus 2ax whole square 3a square plus 3c2 3x square minus 2ax 3a square whole power 3. Next 3c4 3c3 3a, this is 2 3a square whole power 3. See, first one is decreasing, second one is increasing, second term. So we know that 3c1 value 1 into 3c1 value 1 into 3x square minus 2ax whole power 3 plus 3c1 value 3. Observe that this is how the form a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab multiply with 3a square. 3c2 value again 3. So 3x square minus 2ax 3 square 9 a square whole square a power 4 a square whole square is a power 4. 3c3 value 1 3 cube 27 into a power 3 whole cube is a power 6 a power n whole power n. So that equals to 1 times of anything is same number 3x square minus 2ax whole power 3 plus 3 into, see carefully this one, 3 square 9. Okay, do one thing, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9 a square 9a square 3 square 9 x square 2 square 4 a square x square, sorry, this is 3x square, so 3 power a power n whole power n is a power n. So 4 square x square 2 3s are 6 6 2s are 12 x cube a. Next 3 9s are 27 a power 4 3x square minus 2ax. So 127 is 27 a power 6. So 3x square minus 2ax plus 9 9s are 81. 9 9s are 81 a square x power 4. Okay, next 9 4s are 36 a power 4 x square. A power 4 x square. 9 12s are 108 a power 3 x power 3. A square into a is a power 3 x power 3. See, 27 3s are 3 7s are 21 81 a power 4 x square. 27 2s are 54 a power 4 into a is a power 5 x plus 27 a power 6. Okay, now this is power 3. So 3x square minus 2ax whole power 3. See, 81 a square x square, 81 a square x power 4, 81 a square x power 4, a square x power here, a power 4 x square is there. Okay, leave it. So 81 a square x power 4, 36 81. So 6 plus 1 is 7, 8 plus 3 is 11. So a power 4 x square. Next, this is complete. This two terms completed. Next, 108 a cube x cube. So 108 a cube x cube. So next one, 54 a power 5 x. So finally 27 a power 6. Now find the expansion of 3x square minus 2ax whole power 3. What is the expansion of 3x? A minus b whole power 3, 3c naught a cube minus 3c1 a square b plus 3c2 ab square minus 3c3 a cube. So this is how the form a minus b whole power 3. So 3c naught, okay, 3x square whole power 3 minus 3c1 3x square whole square into 2ax plus 3c2 3x square 2ax whole square minus 3c3 2ax whole power. This is the expansion of 3x square minus 2ax whole power 3. So 3c naught value 1, 3c naught value 1 into 3 cube 27 x square whole power 3 x power 6 minus 3c1 value 3, okay, 3 square 9 x square whole square is x power 4 multiply with 2ax. 3c2 is 3, 3x square, 2 square value 4, 4a square x square minus 3c3 value 1, 2 cube 8, a cube x cube. Okay, so 1 into 27 x cube is 27 x power 6, sorry, x power 6. 3 9 is the 27, 27 2 is the 54. X power 4 into 1 is x power 4 into x is x power 5. Here a is there. 3 3 is the 9, 9 4 is the 36. So x square into x square is x power 4 a square minus 8 a cube x cube. Substitute in this equation. That equals to 3x square minus 2x whole power 3 is 27 x power 6 minus 54 x power 5a plus 36 x power 4 a square minus 8 a power 3 x power 3 plus here 81 a power 2 x power 4. Next 117 a power 4 x square. Next minus 108 a cube x cube minus 54 a power 5 x plus 27 a power 6. Okay, see the next one. So 27 x power 6, only one term is there. So x power 6 term only one is there, 27 x power 6. Now see, so this is completed. 54 x power 5. No. 54 x power 4 one term. So 36 x power 4 a square. See here x power 4 a square is there, here also x power 4 a square is there. So 1 plus 6 is 7. 8 plus 6 is 8 plus 3 is 11. X power 4 a square. Okay, enough. A cube x cube. Okay, children. Minus 8 16. Okay, so 1. So minus 116 a cube x cube. Okay. 108 minus 108 minus 8 is minus 116. Got it. Next. So x power 4 x cube. Next x square terms. Here x square a power 4. Still x square a power 4. So only one x square a power 4. So x square a power 4. So 117 x square a power 4. Okay. X square a power 4. Next this one next x terms. Minus 54 a power 5 x. That means x a power 5. So finally 27 a power 6.